Today we're removing the headlights on the Sirocco R-Line facelift. As far as I'm aware, this will be the same procedure as the pre-facelift models. So to remove the headlamp assembly completely, we've got 5 Torx screws we need to remove. So we're ignoring these in the middle, and we've got this one here, 1, 2, 3, and this one down here. So we're lifting the inner part of the assembly first. And taking care not to catch this metal on anything. And now we've got the connector at the bottom here, which is your typical VW connector. And that's the assembly removed completely. So on the driver's side of the car, you've got the bonnet release attached to this piece of metal here. So you can either detach the clips for the bonnet release or remove the panel from the light. So if you wish to remove this, you can stick a pry tool down the side there and pull it away. Thanks for watching. For more guides on this car and many others, then please do subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one.